everyone. So before we get right into the results, I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of my workout today. And towards the end of this video, I will also be showing you guys a little bit of some juicing that I'm doing. And finally, my much awaited cheat meal. So stick around for that. Alright, so this really isn't meal prep per se, but after my cheat meal, I decided that I'm going to be juicing just to cleanse my system out for maybe a day or two. I haven't really decided, but I wanted to show you guys what I put into my juice. And pretty much as you saw, it is pineapple, it is green apple that I'm slicing here, it is also cucumbers and some lemon, and also celery and ginger. So while you guys are watching me juice, I just want to talk about the overall diet in itself. It was not as hard as I thought it was going to be, but I think any diet or anything that you start the first week is probably the hardest. But then after that, you kind of just get used to it, and then it really just becomes like a way of life, I guess. And especially like if your diets are diets, like they're not meant to be something that you know are always on. Instead of, I think of things as like this diet was a kickstart to my way of eating healthy and just pretty much a lifestyle instead of a diet. So this just helps me like get myself in that mood of like, okay, well, I'm gonna get back on track with eating healthy and maintaining that type of healthy lifestyle with a few cheat days here and there, weekly. So yeah, pretty much that's my perspective on diets overall. Sorry guys, I forgot to tell you, I also add aloe vera to my juice. That was on the list of things in this green juice, aloe vera. Also, side note, is the aloe vera without sugar. So as you can see, I have cut everything up and put it in one big container. And what I'll do is I'll just go juicing everything together, no specific order. The only thing that I do leave for last is the ginger, because it really doesn't produce much juice, the spinach, and also the lemon. I just pour that not into the juicer. I have a little juicing thing for the lemon, and I'll just add that to the juice instead of putting it through that the juicer. So once I've juiced everything, I pour it into a container like this. This one is a glass container that I keep reusing. Other times I'll just have like an empty gallon of water and I'll just pour it there. It typically lasts me about maybe 3 days. 1 gallon of the green juice, 3 to 4 days, and that just depends on if I'm solely drinking juice or if I'll do, sometimes it'll be like juice in the morning, then like a salad, and then like a juice at night, like if I'm just trying to be really light, or I'm trying to cleanse my body, I'll do something like that. But typically, like I said, it pretty much lasts me like 3 days, I want to say. Okay guys, results. I have lost a total of almost 6 pounds. I started at 162 and now I am at 156.9, which fluctuates. Here you can see is my before and after. I started this journey back in April once I got the okay from my doctor to work out. Since then I had been inconsistent, and now I had started the 21-day challenge back in September, and now you can see this is my result.